Hey everyone, y'all know I love a good renovation project, and today we're diving into something that's often overlooked but can make a huge impact. Wallpaper is like the magic wand of the design world. It can instantly change the vibe of any room, adding texture, color, and personality. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Wallpaper? Isn't that kinda old-fashioned? Well, let me tell you, it's time to rethink that notion. But trust me on this one, wallpaper has come a long way, and it's not just for your grandma's house anymore. Today's designs are chic, modern, and incredibly versatile. We're talking about transforming your space in ways you never thought possible. Imagine a plain wall turning into a stunning focal point, or a dull room getting a fresh, vibrant look. And the best part? It won't break the bank. There are so many affordable options out there that look like $1,000,000 but cost just a fraction. So stick around, and let's dive into some unexpected and amazing ways to use wallpaper to give your home that wow factor. From accent walls to furniture makeovers, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a DIY newbie or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. Let's get creative and make your space truly unique. Now, who doesn't love a good bookshelf moment? There's something so satisfying about seeing all your favorite novels lined up neatly, each one holding a world of its own. But what if I told you there's a way to make that moment even more special? You know, when you're browsing through your collection and you pull out a book and bam! Suddenly, there's a delightful surprise waiting for you. It's not just about the book anymore, it's about the experience. There's a pop of color or a fun pattern behind it. Imagine the joy of discovering a vibrant backdrop that complements your book's cover or even contrasts it in a playful way. That's the magic of lining your bookshelves with wallpaper. It's a simple trick that can transform the entire look and feel of your bookshelf, making it a focal point in your room. It's like giving your books their own little stage, and it's so easy to do. You don't need to be a DIY expert to pull this off. With just a few materials and a bit of creativity, you can create a stunning display. Just measure the back of your bookshelf, cut the wallpaper to size, and use some spray adhesive to attach it. It's a quick project that can be done in an afternoon, but the results will make you smile every time you see it. You can go bold with a geometric print or keep it classic with a floral design. The choice is yours, and that's the beauty of it. You can change it up whenever you feel like refreshing your space. The possibilities are endless, just like your reading list. So why not add a little surprise to your novels and make your bookshelf a true reflection of your personality and style? Happy decorating! We've all got that one piece of furniture that's seen better days, right? Maybe it's been sitting in the corner of your living room, or perhaps it's tucked away in the basement, gathering dust. It's that piece you just can't seem to part with, but also can't figure out how to revive. Maybe it's an old dresser from your grandma's attic, a family heirloom that's been passed down through generations. It holds sentimental value, but its appearance leaves much to be desired. Or perhaps it's a hand-me-down nightstand that's lost its luster over the years. The scratches and faded paint tell a story, but not one you want to showcase in your home. Well, before you haul it to the curb, let me tell you about the power of wallpaper. Yes, wallpaper. It's not just for walls anymore. With a little creativity and some adhesive, you can transform that tired piece into something truly spectacular. Seriously, it's like giving your furniture a whole new personality. Imagine taking that drab dresser and turning it into a vibrant focal point in your room. The possibilities are endless. You can cover the entire piece for a dramatic transformation. Think bold patterns, bright colors, or even a sophisticated muted design. The choice is yours, and the results can be stunning. Or, if you prefer a more subtle touch, use wallpaper on drawer fronts or tabletops. This way, you can add a pop of personality without overwhelming the entire piece. It's all about finding the right balance. Think of it like adding a statement piece of jewelry to your outfit, but for your furniture. It's a simple, yet effective way to breathe new life into old pieces and make them uniquely yours. So, next time you're about to give up on that worn-out furniture, remember the magic of wallpaper. Okay, renters, this one's for you. We know you can't always go knocking down walls or painting everything in sight, but that doesn't mean you can't have a stylish space. Peel and stick wallpaper is a game changer for renters because it's temporary and removable, so you can go wild with your design choices without sacrificing your security deposit. Plus, it comes in so many fun patterns and textures these days, you're sure to find something that fits your vibe. So go ahead, embrace your inner decorator and give those walls some personality. Chapter 4. Look up! Ceiling decor that's above and beyond. Alright, let's talk about a space we often forget about, the ceiling. It's the fifth wall, and it deserves some love too. Wallpapering your ceiling might seem a little unconventional, but trust me, it can add a touch of drama and sophistication to any room. Imagine a subtle metallic pattern in your dining room, or a whimsical floral design in a nursery. It's a great way to add visual interest and create a cozy, intimate atmosphere. Plus, it's a fun conversation starter. Chapter 5. Accent walls, making a statement, one wall at a time. Now, if you're looking for a way to add a big impact without wallpapering an entire room, an accent wall is the way to go. It's like the focal point of your design, drawing the eye and adding depth and dimension to the space. Choose a bold pattern or color that complements your existing decor and watch as it transforms the entire feel of the room. It's a great way to highlight a fireplace, a headboard, or even a cozy reading nook. Chapter 6. Framed wallpaper. Art you can DIY. Who says art has to be expensive? You can create your own stunning wall decor using framed panels of wallpaper. It's a budget-friendly way to add color, pattern, and texture to your walls, and you can customize it to fit any size or style. Simply choose your favorite wallpaper, cut it to size, and frame it like you would a piece of art. You can create a gallery wall with different patterns and colors, or use a single panel as a statement piece. Chapter 7. Step up your stair game. Wallpapered risers for days. Let's be honest, staircases are often overlooked when it comes to decorating. But what if I told you they could be a statement piece in your home? Wallpapering your stair risers is a fun and unexpected way to add personality and charm to your staircase. You can choose a different pattern for each riser or stick with a cohesive theme. Either way, it's a guaranteed way to make your daily climb a little more exciting. Chapter 8. Drawer liners. Because storage can be stylish too. Okay, this one's for all my fellow organization enthusiasts out there. Lining your drawers with wallpaper is a simple but effective way to add a touch of luxury and personality to your storage spaces. Every time you open a drawer, you'll be greeted with a pop of color or a fun pattern, making even the most mundane tasks a little more enjoyable. Plus, it can help protect your drawers from scratches and spills. Chapter 9. Headboard dreams wallpaper your way to a stylish slumber. Want to give your bedroom a quick and easy makeover? Creating a custom headboard with wallpaper is a budget-friendly and stylish solution. You can create a dramatic statement wall behind your bed or simply cover a piece of plywood or foam board with wallpaper for a more affordable option. Either way, it's a great way to add personality and style to your bedroom without breaking the bank. Chapter 10. Kitchen Backsplash. Hack wallpaper. That's easy to change. Tired of your kitchen backsplash but don't want to deal with the hassle and expense of replacing it? Wallpaper to the rescue. Using peel and stick wallpaper as a temporary backsplash is a genius hack that allows you to change up your kitchen decor as often as you like. Just make sure to choose a wallpaper that's durable and easy to clean, and you're good to go. Outro wallpaper wonders, unleash your creativity. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 unexpected and amazing ways to use wallpaper to transform your space. From lining bookshelves to creating a statement ceiling, the possibilities are endless. So go ahead, embrace your inner designer and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Or should I say, outside the wall. Remember, it's all about creating a space that reflects your personality and makes you feel right at home. Happy decorating!